Hello everyone, I hope you are staying healthy and keeping it spicy. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious Haitian treat that is also a perfect way to experience Merline's Caribbean hot sauce. I'm going to show you how I make my Haitian fried plantains and pikliz. Pikliz is a popular treat in Haiti made from shredded cabbage, carrots, shallots, scotch bonnet peppers, white vinegar, the juice of a lime, and a couple drops of olive or vegetable oil. I also like to add a little bit of lemon pepper zest to make mine even more flavorful. This is a nice, fresh, crunchy vegetable dish that is commonly served as a topping or side. We are going to serve ours over fried plantains, but you can really place it on just about anything. It's really simple to make, so let's get started. So what you're gonna need first, you need a good mixing bowl to mix all the ingredients. Shredded cabbage, shredded shallots, shredded red onions, shredded white onions, shredded green bell pepper, also shredded carrots. The secret ingredient is scotch bonnet peppers, but if you can't find that, you can get habanero peppers at the grocery store. I use my lime juice, my oil, and my white vinegar to make this a special dressing. I also add the lemon pepper zest also, and I give it a really good shake, and boom, the dressing is done. It all together. Voila! So now we're finished with our pikliz. Let's go ahead and make our deep fried plantain. So in Haiti we call it Bannann Peze. Everybody in Haiti loves Bannann Peze. So when you go to the grocery store, you will have to look for these long green plantains. They look like bananas, but they are not bananas. The bananas are sweet. These are not sweet. I've already cut mine diagonally. So let's go ahead and put them in the frying pan. When it's bubbling like that, that means it's really hot. It's ready to go. You just dump all the pieces of plantain in there. It's probably gonna take 2 to 3 minutes until it's ready to take out. It's getting really nice and golden. You can turn it to the other side to make sure both sides are fully cooked. Hey, it already smells so good. I can't wait to taste those. Once you see it's getting light and golden, they're ready to take out, and take them out, put them on your paper towel to drain some of the excess oil. Looks really good. And now you start mashing your plantains while they're hot. This is what we use in Haiti and some of the Caribbean countries. This is what they use. If you don't have that, you can use a bottom of a dish or a bottom of a cup. So I put it. You don't put too much pressure on it. So now let's return our mashed plantain back to the oil. You give it a stir. Once you see again it's getting really light and golden, that's when you know it's almost ready to get out. Okay, ready? Let's get them out. So now we have our deep fried plantain. It looks delicious, bright and golden. So all you have to do now is place your pikliz on top of it and it will be delicious. So now our deep fried plantain is ready and it's already on the plate. So I'm just adding the pikliz to the plate to finish the whole meal. So now we finish with our fried plantain and pikliz or Bannann Peze for my Haitian homies. Let's enjoy and don't forget the hot sauce. Bon appétit!